Luxuriant fabric begins every collection with strategic intent. The process starts inside a modern American textile design studio. Executive teams align brand vision with long-term market direction. Luxury positioning is defined before any material is selected. Design objectives are documented with precision. Global fashion and interior trends are carefully studied. Physical fabric swatches are reviewed for tactile evaluation. Digital forecasting boards support future relevance. Market demand is analyzed across multiple sectors. Luxury apparel performance requirements are identified. Interior textile durability expectations are reviewed. Fabric applications guide early technical decisions. Aesthetic goals are balanced with functional performance. Fiber behavior is discussed by designers and engineers. Material innovation is explored without compromising consistency. Weave architecture concepts are developed for structure. Knit construction options are evaluated for comfort. Fabric density targets are proposed. GSM specifications are calibrated for end use. Drape behavior is simulated through material modeling. Surface texture is evaluated visually and physically. Color direction is refined carefully. Palettes are tested under standardized light booths. Shade accuracy is verified across lighting conditions. Color stability is considered from the beginning. Prototype fabric swatches are developed internally. Initial samples are produced for evaluation. Design integrity is reviewed against brand standards. Technical feasibility is assessed by production teams. Cost efficiency is reviewed without sacrificing luxury. Performance benchmarks are validated. Risk factors are identified and addressed. Adjustments are applied where necessary. Revised prototypes are reassessed. Cross-department collaboration ensures alignment. Creative and technical teams finalize specifications. Documentation is completed in detail. Approval protocols are strictly followed. Final authorization confirms production readiness.
Each batch enters processing under strict handling protocols to protect fiber integrity. Controlled bale opening prevents unnecessary stress on the fibers. Fibers are gradually loosened to maintain their natural structure. Advanced systems remove dust and surface contaminants efficiently. Foreign particles are extracted with precision and care. Cleanliness at this stage is critical for downstream consistency. Fibers are guided into blending chambers for uniformity. Blending ratios are calculated according to approved design specifications. Consistency across the entire batch is continuously monitored. Humidity conditioning begins immediately to stabilize behavior.
Carding and combing operations begins as prepared fibers enter automated carding systems. Fibers are fed into machines at controlled and uniform speeds. Individual fibers are separated efficiently. Straightening aligns fibers into a parallel orientation. Short fibers are systematically removed. Remaining impurities are continuously extracted. Uniform slivers begin to take shape. Sliver thickness is regulated with precision. Consistency is maintained across the entire width. Fiber cohesion improves during alignment. Mechanical stress is carefully minimized. Continuous waste extraction keeps systems clean. Sliver tension is regulated to prevent distortion. Overstretching is actively avoided. Inline sensors monitor quality in real time. Irregularities are detected immediately. Corrective adjustments are applied without stopping production. Slivers are gently guided into coiling units. Quality inspection verifies structural consistency. Certified slivers are approved for yarn engineering. Precision yarn engineering begins as slivers are released into spinning frames. Material flow is synchronized with production capacity. Drafting zones gradually attenuate fiber mass. Draft ratios are digitally controlled. Twist insertion defines yarn structure and strength. Balanced twist ensures flexibility and durability. Yarn diameter is continuously monitored. Tension sensors regulate yarn stability. Sudden stress variations are corrected instantly. Break detection systems remain active at all times. Production continuity is preserved through automation. Fiber cohesion improves as yarn forms. Surface smoothness is refined during spinning. Yarn strength develops progressively. Automated winding forms uniform cones. Cone density is precisely controlled. Yarn surfaces undergo visual inspection. Defects are isolated and rejected immediately. Approved cones are digitally tagged for traceability. Precision yarn is cleared for fabric construction. Fabric construction begins as approved yarn enters production machines. Yarn packages are mounted according to digital plans. Patterns are programmed into control systems. Machine speed is calibrated for accuracy. Warp yarns are tensioned evenly. Weft yarns are balanced dynamically. Knitting loops or woven structures form consistently. Fabric structure begins to take shape. Sensors monitor yarn behavior continuously.
Finishing begins only after color approval. Fabric enters the finishing production line. Softening agents are carefully prepared. Application enhances tactile hand feel. Mechanical action refines surface touch. Shrinkage control treatments are applied. Dimensional stability improves significantly. Wrinkle resistance processes are introduced. Crease recovery performance increases. Breathability treatments follow precisely. Air permeability improves measurably. Moisture management performance increases. Surface smoothness undergoes refinement. Calendaring evens the fabric texture. Brushing enhances softness where required. Shearing controls surface pile. Strengthening finishes are applied. Abrasion resistance improves durability. Heat setting begins stabilization. Temperature profiles remain controlled. Time cycles ensure molecular alignment. Fabric width is set precisely. Edge stability is carefully maintained. Bow and skew distortions are corrected. Drape characteristics are fine-tuned. Weight uniformity is verified. Finish additives are fully cured. Residual chemicals are removed. Drying completes stabilization. Cooling prevents deformation. Traceability records are confirmed. Quality reports are finalized. Management reviews outcomes. Approval thresholds are achieved. Release authorization is granted. Fabric is cleared for shipment. Records are securely archived. Improvement insights are logged. Quality assurance concludes. Approved fabric enters final handling. Rolling stations are prepared. Tension settings are calibrated. Fabric is rolled evenly. Length measurements are verified. Digital counters confirm totals. Roll alignment is inspected. Edges receive protective treatment. Core tubes are secured. Brand labels are applied accurately. Product information is clearly displayed. Batch identification codes are attached. Traceability is fully ensured. Origin markings are added. Crafted in the USA is displayed. Presentation standards are reviewed. Protective wrapping is applied. Moisture barriers are sealed. Outer packaging is assembled. Security seals are applied.
Inventory systems are updated. Stock locations are assigned. Orders are matched to shipments. Documentation accompanies each roll. Logistics schedules are coordinated. Carriers are confirmed. Handling instructions are issued. Palletization follows standards. Load stability is verified. Dispatch areas are organized. Domestic routes are released. Export requirements are cleared. Customs documents are prepared. Tracking numbers are generated. Shipments depart the facility. Transit monitoring begins. Delivery milestones are tracked. Feedback channels remain open. Distribution is completed successfully. Fabric construction begins as approved yarn enters production machines. Yarn packages are mounted according to digital plans. Patterns are programmed into control systems. Machine speed is calibrated for accuracy. Warp yarns are tensioned evenly. Weft yarns are balanced dynamically. Knitting loops or woven structures form consistently. Fabric structure